Ready to broadcast your world live from your Nikon Z50 to YouTube? Let's dive in. First, locate the HDMI port on your Nikon Z50. Gently pull open the protective rubber flap to reveal it. Your camera needs to send a clean signal. This means we need to configure the HDMI output settings. Navigate to your camera's menu, find the HDMI section, and within that, you'll want to adjust the HDMI output settings. Look for options like output resolution and select a suitable resolution like 1080p or 4K, ideally at 30 frames per second for smooth streaming. Also, importantly, find the option for HDMI info display and set it to off. Now, connect your Nikon Z50 to your computer using a high-quality HDMI cable. If your computer doesn't have a direct HDMI input, you'll need an HDMI capture device. On your computer, open your preferred streaming software, like OBS Studio. Add a new video capture device source and select your HDMI capture device from the list. You should now see your Nikon Z50's live feed in the preview window of your streaming software. You can adjust the positioning and size as needed. Next, head over to YouTube Studio and click Go Live. You'll need to create a new stream or select an existing one. Copy your stream key provided by YouTube. Back in your streaming software, go to Settings, then Stream. Select YouTube as the service and paste your copied stream key into the provided field. Click Apply and then OK. Now, when you click Start Streaming in your software, your Nikon Z50's feed will be sent directly to your YouTube live stream. You're live. Remember to engage with your chat, adjust your camera angles, and enjoy sharing your content with the world.